How to activate two WhatsApp business accounts in one phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's get started. First, you need to install WhatsApp Business. For that, navigate to Play Store or App Store. Tap search icon at bottom right and search bar at top. Let's type in WhatsApp Business and search for the official application. Once you get the WhatsApp Business app, tap on the Install button to install it. Wait until the installation and download process completes. After that, you can easily launch WhatsApp Business and create one account. In order to activate two WhatsApp account, what you can do is simply you can navigate to the settings. So variety of Android devices have app cloner, that is the built-in feature. So you can tap on the search bar and type in app cloner or simply dual application depending upon your Android brands. So if you get it, you can easily select App Cloner and access the page. From the list of application, you need to navigate to WhatsApp Business. Access WhatsApp Business and you need to toggle the button on for Create App Clone. And after that, both of the WhatsApp Business application will appear on your home page. After that, you can easily set up your second WhatsApp Business account on your second WhatsApp Business app. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.